Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today's our revision assignment is on chapter 5 factors and multiples. First problem, dash is a factor of every number. See, 1 is a factor of every number. So the answer 1. Where it is in the options? First option 2, second option 0, third option 1. So option 3 is our answer. The greatest factor of a number is the dash. See, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. In the sense, example, you take the factors of 3. The factors of 3 are 1 into 3 or else 3 into 1 is equal to 3. In this, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is 3. See, same number. So, number itself. In this, first option 1, second option 0, third option 2 and fourth option number itself. So, option 4 is our answer. Now, third one. The factors of 24 are dash. What are the factors of 24? Now find. 24 factors are, see, 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Next, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Next, 4 into 6 is equal to 24. These are the factors of 24. That's it. Now, 1, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Where it is in the options? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12, 24. First option is only our answer. So, option 1 is our answer. Next one. The factors shared by two more numbers are called dash. The factors shared by two more numbers are called the common factors. So, option 2 is our answer. Find the common factors of 12, 18 and 30. What are the factors of 12? 12 factors are 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. These are the factors of 12 and 18 factors. That can be written as 1 into 18 is equal to 18. 2 into 9 is equal to 18, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. These are the factors of 18. And 30 can be written as 1 into 30 is equal to 30, 2 into 15 is equal to 30, 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Next, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. These are all the factors of 30. Now, just write only factors of 12. See, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12 and factors of 18 are factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 6, 9 and 18. And next, what are the factors of 30? 30 factors are 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30, 6, 10, 15, 30. In these, common factors are, see, 1 is the common factor for every number. Okay, next 2. Yes, 2 is also common factor for 12, 18 and 13. Next 3. 3 is also there in 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4 is not a common factor. 6, yes, 6 is also a common factor. 6. Other than that, is there any common factors? Only 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors for 12, 18 and 30. So the answer is 1, 2, 3 and 6. See, first option only. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12, 18 and 30. Option 1 is our answer. Every number is a multiple of dash. See, every number is a multiple of 1. You'll get all the multiples in 1. Okay. So, every number is a multiple of 1. Example, can we see? See, multiples of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It will continue. It will continue. So, every number is a multiple of 1. First option 0, second option 3, third option 2, fourth option 1. 4. Option 4 is our answer. Next, a multiple of a number is either dash or equal to the number itself. See, multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to the number. Example, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. In this, first multiple of 4 is same number, that means itself. It is also equal to 4. These are all the 4 multiples. And the remaining all the multiples of 4 are greater than 4. So, the answer is greater than. Okay, option 2 is our answer. Find the smallest odd multiple of 9 between 36 and 81. To find it, we have to find the multiples of 9 which are in between 36 and 81. Remember, odd multiple of 9 we want, and it should be in between 36 and 81. What are the multiples of 9? Multiples of 9 are 9, 9 2s 18, 9 3s 27, 9 4s 36, 9 5s 45, 9 6s 54, 9 7s 63, 9 8s 72, 9 9s 81 and 9 10s 90. So these are all the multiples of 9. Now what do we want? Odd multiple of 9 which is in between 36 and 81. See, these are all the multiples which are in between 36 and 81. 36 and 81, 45, 54, 63 and 72. These are all the multiples which are in between 36 and 81. In this, what are the odd multiples? 45 and 63. See, odd multiple we have found. At the same time, they are asking us smallest odd multiple of 9. In these two, 45 and 63. Among these 45 and 63, which is the smallest number? 45. So the answer is 45. Option 2. That is our answer. Find the largest even multiple of 5 between 30 and 75. Same. First we have to find the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70, 75. Up to 75 are enough because we need only in between multiples of 13 and 75. Now they are asking us to find the largest even multiple of 5 which is in between 30 and 75. So largest even multiple is in between 30 and 75. See, in this, these are all the multiples of 5 and the largest even multiple is, see here, 70. So the answer is 70. Option 3. Or else simply you can subtract 5 from 75 because as 75 is a multiple of 5, as 75 is a multiple of 5, you can subtract 5 from 75. 75 minus 5, 70. So this is only our answer. Okay. Now next, the first 5 multiples of 4 are, what are the first 5 multiples of 4? The first multiple of 4 is 4. Second multiple 8. 4, 8. Next 12, 16 and 20. See, do you get 5 multiples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exactly 5. And they are also asking us to find the first 5 multiples of 4. These are the first 5 multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Where it is? Option 3. Option 3. This is our revision assignment for today, children. Thank you.